Hello, in this video, I'll show you how to remove the ignition cylinder from 92 Buick Regal. This is the car. This is the column. We have to remove the cap for the horn, remove the steering wheel. We have to use the steering wheel puller to pull it out. Okay, and then remove the wire harness connection. There's a big spring load here. Use the screwdriver, push and turn to release it. Release the spring from there. Use a hook, get into there, pull the spring for the buzzer of the ignition. Pull it out, and then we can see there's a screws inside. There's a bolts inside the hole. Yeah, take me a while to find it out. It's a star. With a star screwdriver, we can undo the bolts inside here. Undo the bolts inside there, and then pull the ignition out from there. Okay, this is a video. Because this one has a tilt ignition column, so it's very difficult to remove the whole piece from the tilt column. Okay, we found out actually use a star screwdriver, get into there, remove the bolt, and then the cylinder came out. Thank you for watching. This made by Century Locksmith.